Hello, my friends. Lorrie here in Lorrie's world on the Oregon coast. And guess what I did? I have to take a break from the stress of this house once in a while. So I signed up to volunteer at a whale museum. I have no idea what I've gotten myself into, but orientation was last night. So I'm going to give you guys a look. First impression? It's a beautiful location. Windy as all heck, but beautiful. Let's go in. First impression, this is going to be a lot of fun. There's all kinds of stuff to learn, and although I'm very much an introvert, I do like to get out and interact with the public now and again. So once a week or so to come out here and hang out in this shop is going to be fun. And there you have it. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun this summer with the whale watching and working in the museum and just kind of hanging out with some new people and getting to know some new things. I did want to, before I go, I want to come on and talk a little bit about Carrie Newell, who is the founder of the Ocean Research Museum. I'll put the proper name and stuff in it. You know, guys know how I am with names. It's the whale watching museum, but it does have an official name, research something something. So I'll put it in there. Anyway, so Carrie is fascinating. She's probably about my age, although she looks quite a bit younger. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm all gray, and she is not. But anyway, she's probably close to my age. She's a marine biologist. She put herself through school at a later age. I guess well, not as late as I did, but anyway, she has a couple of kids and she's always been into nature and is a marine biologist who I guess it was about 20 some years ago decided or was encouraged to start her own business, and that was why she did this. And so she's gone from one boat up to, I think she said, seven boats. She's got one big one and then like six Zodiacs, I think. I can't wait to go out in the Zodiac because I've never done it before. So that's exciting. But anyway, Carrie is also a published author, and she gave us all a copy of her book, Coda and the Whales. So Coda is one of her dogs. They're golden doodles. She's got two of them. Coda is the mom, and Kilo is the baby. But they're whale spotters. So they go out with her on the boats, and of course they can hear before we do. They can hear the spout. They can smell the whale's breath, and so they alert to whales and let everybody know where they're at. And the whales apparently like the dogs and like the attention because they will come right up to the boats. There's some pictures in here. I'm not going to dig it up right now, but there's some pictures and stories about some of the encounters that they've had in the ocean around here. And yeah, so this is who I'm working with. I will leave, like I said, I'll leave a link down in the description. And I'll keep you posted on my whale watching adventures that are going to get me away from this house now and again and get me away from the stress of dealing with the 12 years of neglect our property managers left us with. Anyway. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, share, follow our journey as we live life on the Oregon coast. Take good care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye now.